Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new trade-in. We have a 2012 Four Winds SL 262. Let's hop inside and take a look. Starting back here, we have a massive swim platform, a great little day bed lounger with a backrest set up here so you can watch people swim off the back of the boats. Great walk-through door, large L seating, snap-in vinyl flooring, and oversized captain chairs. Both sides, interior's very clean. Great storage in here, and a huge bow. It's a very clean 26-foot boat. Come on down to MarineMax Rogers and take a look.